Here are some of the most terrifying owls you've ever seen. And wait till you see the last one. But first, hit that subscribe button and give us a like for your daily dose of wild animal content. Number 1, the hunter silent wings, deadly dive. Number 2, the stare, one look and you're frozen. Number 3, hoodie vibes, looking stylish and deadly. Number 4, don't be scared. Okay, maybe be a little scared. Number 5, can you do this? Flexing those neck skills like a boss. Number 6, Your Majesty, bow down to the Owl King. Number 7, the imposter, wait, is that even an owl? Do you like owls? Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite. Catch you in the next video. More amazing animals coming your way.